After visiting New River Gorge National Park yesterday, I came to this park for camping. It was already dark by the time I got here, but today morning I woke up in clouds. I wasn't expecting this. This park has a nice lodge where I finished my work for the day and then headed to check out a tram ride they have, which takes you down to Bluestone River Gorge. You got it, right?
He just shed his skin there.
Okay. No one got stuck yet, right?
No, alright.
This tram was closed for repairs and just started back today, so I am hoping I don't get stuck in the middle. They have lodge and restaurant once you come down here, but it was closed when I came. So I hanged out by the Bluestone River before taking the tram back up. I got my drone couple of months back, but I haven't completely figured out active tracking functionality. So before going home, I decided to ride my bike and figure that out. Lesson learned: don't make sharp turns while doing active track, especially on A2S, which doesn't have side sensors. Fortunately, it is still working fine after this crash. On the way home, I also stopped by at Bluestone Lake State Park, which was very close from Pipestem.